about we take a look today at a playhouse? Or maybe a garage for a car collection? Well, that's exactly it. Today's inspiration is the GN Residence, an unusual request that combines a garage to house a luxury car collection and a playhouse for the owner's daughter. One of the highlights is the cantilevered veranda, which offers a spectacular view of the mountains surrounding Rio de Janeiro. Since these are two completely different functions, the steep slope of the terrain was used to separate the two distinct buildings. The garage is located right at the entrance of the lot, close to the street, since the cars are very low and the access ramp needed to have a minimal slope. The garage is shaped by the intersection of three volumes, a closed volume clad in yellow aluminum tiles for the workshop, a glass box for the garage, and two cantilevered planes that form the veranda and its roof, which is suspended by tie rods from the upper structure to eliminate the need for vertical supports. These three volumes also have different heights, allowing for additional suspended structures within the central glass box. A flat area was reserved solely for a large maneuvering courtyard, while the garage building was positioned over the sloping terrain, supported by pillars. The design of these pillars was carefully developed to reduce the number of supports. Each pillar is topped by 4 brackets that receive point loads and distribute them across just 4 trees. In addition to the parking area, the building also includes a workshop, bathroom, and living room. The other annex blends into the terrain, making use of a lower level to fit the construction into the landscape. The green roof is connected to the natural slope, eliminating any visible architecture from above. All you see is the access stair or a gentle slope leading down to the playhouse entrance. The house consists of a large living area with a kitchen, bathroom, a veranda featuring an outdoor fireplace, and a treehouse accessed via a wooden walkway connected to the veranda. Raw materials like rough stone on the walls and wood flooring help blend the architecture into the natural surroundings.